Hey, this is Stan Williams, and you're listening to the Wlen Amsterdam radio show, broadcasting from Canada, heard worldwide.
Now the only thing that ever needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. I wanna tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in this house. Rising sun. See over there. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery. Down in New Orleans, in the house of the rising sun. Well, I got one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to win an Orleans chain. Well, there's our house in New Orleans. They call been the root of many a boy. Thank God I know
You're listening to Wlen Amsterdam's Pure Country, where country music rules.
Well, all right. I'm going to do a number right now by somebody that was actually a friend of mine, and he used to start his television show back in the 60s with this song, and he opened all of his live performances with this song. It's by the late Ernest Tubb, called Walkin' the Floor. Walking the floor over you, I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two. Walking the floor over you. You left me and you went away. You said you'd be back in just a day, but you've broken all your promises and left me here alone. Don't know why you did, dear, but I do know that you're gone. So I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two. Walking the floor over you. Now, darling, you know that I love you well, and I love you more than I can ever tell. I thought you wanted me and that you'd always be mine, but you went away and left me here with troubles on my mind. So I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two, while I'm walking the floor over you. Now someday you'll be lonesome too. Find that walking the floor is good for you. Just keep right on walking and it won't hurt you to cry. Remember that I love you, dear, and will until I die. So I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two. Walking the floor over you. Yes, I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two. Walking the floor over you. Walking the floor over you. I'm walking the floor over you.
Hello, this is Len Amsterdam.
Hey, Len. This is Clay Pierce, and I'm calling in to do that interview for the Len Amsterdam Show.
Geez, I'm really sorry, Clay, but I'm not going to have any time for you today. But just got off the phone with Dwayne Hitchcock, the agent for the Cavern Monkeys. Yeah, he's lined up a gig for you at Hippie Hamster's Scented Candle and Hemp Fest.
I like that. That's cool.
Well, you better hear me out here. It's a nudist fest. It'll be 10,000 middle-aged screaming hippies smoking tons of dope, and it'll be a mosh pit of middle-aged flesh.
I like that. That's cool.
Well, you better hear me out, Clay. One of the stipulations that Mr. Hitchcock is put into the contract is that all performers must perform in the nude. 2 additional clauses in the contract would require you to cover your body in honey, because everybody knows that you draw more flies with honey than you do vinegar. The last clause would require you at the end of your stage show to turn around and moon the audience for shock value.
I like that. That's cool.
Hey there, you looking for a good time? You want thrills, chills, and unparalleled excitement?
Well, sorry about that, folks. All you're gonna get is us. The Bullet Band welcomes you to the Bullet's Desert Cafe, a place where anything can happen, a place where anything usually does. Check your guns at the door and join us at the bar for a drink, a laugh, and a listen. The Bullets are proud to be part of the Len Amsterdam Show. As always, broadcasting from Canada. Hey, you like doggies?